Let's take a step back. Toyota's BZ lineup. Initially, the bZ4X nameplate was confusing, but with the bZ5X SUV and bZ3X crossover, the naming scheme makes more sense. The bZ3X, part of Toyota's Beyond Zero lineup, will fill a CHR-sized gap in their upcoming EV offerings. Hi there, EV enthusiasts! Welcome back to NamCar channel. Today, we're going to talk about the 2025 Toyota bZ3X, a compact electric crossover that's set to shake up the subcompact segment. Toyota is keeping hush on details about the bZ3X, but we think this almost production-ready concept could be ready for ordering sometime in 2024. Let's take a closer look at what we know so far. The bZ3X has a futuristic design with a coupe-like roof and muscular shoulders. Its exterior features a hammerhead shark front styling with short overhangs, two-tone wheels, and contrasting exterior colors. The vehicle also has plastic body cladding for a sporty and confident look. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota bZ3X is expected to have a single-motor front-wheel drive system, with an option for a dual-motor all-wheel drive system with multiple terrain modes. With instant torque delivered by the electric motor, you can expect rapid acceleration and a quiet ride. The bZ3X is expected to have a similar power output to the bZ4X, with around 201 horsepower and 196 pound-feet of torque. The bZ3X's range depends on the size of the battery pack, which is expected to be between 65 to 75 kilowatt-hour. This could deliver a combined system output of over 210 horsepower and a range of around 240 to 270 miles before needing a recharge. The vehicle is expected to charge to 80% in around 30 minutes with a 150 kilowatt DC fast charger. Inside, the bZ3X is designed to be minimalist and spacious. Its sustainable upholstery and trims, ergonomic and comfy seats, and multiple storage pockets and cubbies. The vehicle is expected to feature dual 12.3 inches digital displays, including an advanced digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The bZ3X will feature innovative tech, including UI, an iPersonal agent, and amenities like a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, enhancing the driving experience with personalized convenience and connectivity. The price of the Toyota bZ3X is expected to start around $40,000 and go up to $45,000 depending on the trim and options, making it a more affordable option than the bZ4X. The vehicle is expected to be released in late 2024 or early 2025. The 2025 bZ3X is expected to be available in several trim levels, including a base model, a mid-level trim, and a high-end trim. Each trim level is expected to offer a range of features and options, including advanced safety features, premium audio systems, and luxurious interior materials. So, what do you think? The bZ3X is poised to be a significant player in the electric SUV market. Let's hear your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates and information as the launch date approaches. Thanks for watching.